First problem. Remember about theory? Already discussed about theory just now, okay? So recall in your mind all things, okay? Shall we go to problems? If in a nuclear fusion, what is fusion? Two or more lighter nuclei combined into form of heavy nucleus. Lighter into heavier enable fusion. The masses of the fusing nuclei M1 and M2. M1 and M2. And the masses of the resultant nuclei. So here M1, M2 means here assume that reactants and resultant means here products. Nuclei will be M3. Then okay, for example 1H2 gives 2He4 plus Q, and that means Q means energy. So the difference in mass, it is converted into very good equal amount of energy. So always mass of products less than reactants. Therefore, see this first, impossible, not possible, greater than, not possible. So second option, less than. Clear? Next. A nucleus represented by the symbol X ZA has. Already told you just now. Atomic number, which is equal to number of protons. Mass number, it is equal to number of protons and neutrons. So how will you calculate number of neutrons? N is equal to A minus Z. Therefore, Z protons, A minus Z neutrons, Z protons, A neutrons, A protons, Z minus A neutrons, Z protons and A minus Z protons. Okay? Z protons and A minus Z neutrons because of this is N. Clear? Third, the half-life of the radium is about 1600 years. So T of, I am discussed about this just now. T of half-life period of 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 100 gram. What is the meaning of 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 total? That means initial. So N naught. This is T of radium existing now. What is existing now? Remaining. Mixture 25 gram out of 100 gram. So that is called a capsule. Okay, clear? Will remain undecayed after. What is after? After total within age means total time. So here listen properly. Here we should be find out after means here we should be find out the total time. There is present total time. N is equal to T by H. I got or not? Listen properly. Listen. T by H. Clear? Total is equal to N and H. How do you find out N? Half-life 4K. H means half-life period. How much? 1600 years. How do you find out N? This is undecayed, no? So fraction of left undecayed. Very good. Okay? Clear? Now what is N value? 25. N naught? 100. N. Try yourself. Very simple this. Try yourself. That's all. So 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 power N. Try yourself. So here this term we can write 1 by 2 whole power 2. 1 by 2 whole power N. Clear? That's the answer. Very good. So small n is equal to 2. Clear? Therefore T is equal to N into H. 2 into half-life. Yes. So yes. Correct? கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் வந்துருச்சா உங்களுக்கு? வந்துருச்சா? எவ்வளோ? 3200 years. Very good. That's all. That's all. Shall I go to the next one? Fourth one. Which one of the following pairs nuclei are isotone? Top bar tone. Top bar tone. Soap bar tone. Top bar tone. Top. Same element. Atomic number same. Mass number different. Isobar. Reverse of isotope. But isotone. Same number of neutrons, different element. Same element, limit. Limit. See first option. Sc and Ga. Mass number. How do you find out the number of neutrons? With the help of n is equal to a minus z. N is a minus z. So 74 minus 34. 74 minus 34. Okay. How many neutrons? 40. In this 40. Here not possible. So how many neutrons are there? 40 neutrons. So same number of neutrons. That is called isotones. Option is first option. Very good. Fifth one. The binding energy of the deuteron. What is the deuteron? 1H2. 1H2. Deuteron or deuterium. 2.2 million electron volt. And that of alpha, that means 2He4, helium nuclei, is 28 million electron volt. If, listen here, in this problem, 2 deuterons fused to form 1 alpha nuclei. Then the energy released. What is energy released? I already told you the meaning for this word. Energy released means a binding energy. B. Simple method here. So first we should be find out total binding energy of the deuteron. How many deuterons? 2 deuterons. Therefore 2 deuterons. So 2.2 into 2 no. Therefore 4.4 million electron totally. And 28 million electron volt of helium nuclei. What will be binding energy? Directly taking subtraction. That's all. So B is equal to 28 minus 4.4 million electron volt. How much? 4.4 0 6 23.6 million electron volt or mega electron volt. So option is second option. In a radioactive material, activity at time T1 is equal to R1. T1 is not R1. T1 is equal to R1. And at a later time T2 is equal to activity R2. If the decay constant of the material is lambda, then what is then? We should find out which one of the following option is correct. Okay, already we have studied about activity. What is the activity? Basic formula like N is equal to N naught e power minus lambda t. No. Similarly, we can write R is equal to R naught e power minus lambda t. But here two different time, two different activity are not two. Therefore, listen here. Don't see others. T1, correct? Or not same, no problem. Because of starting. Try yourself. Similarly, minus lambda T2. So let us consider this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Try yourself. Nee pandra. Nee pandra. Okay. So 1 by 2. R1 by R2. is equal to r naught cancel like that or not? E power minus lambda t1 by e power minus lambda constant, same, that means constant limit. Now r1 by r2 is equal to, we can write minus lambda t1 and going upside plus lambda t2. Clear? Now r1 by r2 is equal to, take outside minus lambda. Now t1 minus t2. Clear? r1 by r2 is equal to this answer. Which option? First option. Or we can write from this. r1 is equal to r2 into minus lambda t1 minus t2. So which option? First option is correct. Check me. That's all. Clear? Next, 7th one. Clear? Finished? 7th one. If the nucleus aluminum, as a nuclear radius 3.6 Fermi. What is this? R naught value, correct? No, R value. Not diameter, only given radius. Fermi, okay. Then the thallium T, mass number given 125, atomic number also given, would have its radius approximately as. That's all. So here, what is the motivation of this question? You should be find out radius of the thallium. Therefore, basic formula for radius of the nucleus. Okay, R is equal to R naught. So here, R first given aluminium, R naught. What is mass number? 27. Leave it, atomic number, no need. 1 by 3, equation number 1. And R of thallium, R naught. What is mass number? 125. 1 by 3. This is equation number 2. Clear? What do we here? We want R of aluminum or thallium? Thallium. So 2 by 1 or 1 by 2? 2 by 1. 2 by 1? 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So R 1 by 2. No need. No problem. So 2 by 1 is equal to thallium or aluminum. R not cancel. Leave it constant. So 125 whole power 1 by 3. 27 whole power 1 by 3. So here this number we can return as, okay, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 5 by 3. So but RT is equal to 5 by 3 into R aluminum. Clear na? Very good. So now R of aluminum 3.6 Fermi. 1.2. So 5 into 1.2. This is clear or not? Find 1.2. రెండోది అయిపోరా 5 into 1.2. Okay, 6.0. So 6 Fermi. First option. Okay. Two radioactive substances A, B have decay constant 5 lambda and 1 lambda. 5 lambda, 1 lambda, respectively. And T is equal to 0. Listen properly here. T is equal to 0. They have same number of nucleus. What is the meaning of T is equal to 0? Same number of nuclei. N same or N not same? T is equal to 0. N not or N? Very good. N not. N not initial. N not same. The ratio of number of nuclei of A to those will be 1 by E whole square. That means after time interval. N no. But if you have two substances no. Therefore N1 by N2 is equal to 1 by E whole square. Clear or not? Very, very important. This listen properly. After a time interval. What is after? Already told you. After means after within age total time. After அதுக்கப்புறம் மொத்தமே அவ்வளவுதான். மொத்தம் total. Interval. So we should be find out. After means total time. T is equal to what? Okay. What to do here? N naught same. Have that or not? So n is equal to n naught e power minus lambda t. Have that or not? So n1 is equal to n naught e power lambda 1. T means a t1 or a t? T common. Equation number 1. Very simple. This try yourself. First listen properly. Come on, listen. Don't write. Listen. Don't write. N2 is equal to n naught minus lambda 2 t. What to do here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. N1 by N2. N or N are cancel. E minus lambda 1 t by e power lambda 2 t. What is N1 by N2? 1 by e whole square. So 1 by e whole square. E is equal minus lambda. What is lambda 1? 5 lambda. 5 lambda. T by lambda 2? Lambda t. So 1 by 1 power anything? 1. So e power 2. So e is equal here minus 4 lambda t, correct? Minus 4 lambda t because of e power minus lambda t plus lambda t minus 4 lambda t or 1 by e power 2. This term we can write e power 4 lambda t. Clear? Follow from Nida. Now 1 cancel. E cancel. So now we can write. That's all. Clear? So see here. See here. 2 is equal to 4 lambda t. From this we want to calculate t value. So t is equal to 2 by 4 lambda. T is equal to 1 by 2 lambda. Okay. Therefore, lambda. Fourth option. See this. Come on, read. Any idea? Same problem. This is assignment. That means homework to you. Try yourself. Same method. Only here change 5 lambda lambda okay. X1 x2 okay. Initially they have same number of, that means n not same okay. Then the ratio of number of unit of lambda, sorry, x1 to that of x2 will be 1 by e. But in this problem n1 by n2 is equal to, this is n means here n1 by fraction, n1 by n2 is 1 by e whole square, but here only 1. Changing n1 by n2 is equal to 1 by e, that's all. Same problem. Try yourself. Try to make the 5 lambda lambda 1 by e, 1 by e whole square, here only given 1 by e, that's all. So n1 by n2 is equal to 1 by e. One by very good. Same, very good. 1 by 41. This is there is no any formula, but this is based on the theory concept. Before going to discuss about this problem, we must know about the density. That means a nuclear. What is the formula for density? Mass per volume. Mass by volume. Nuclear density is equal to mass of the nucleus by volume of the nucleus. That's all. Its value given in your textbook value. This is common for all the nuclei. independent of mass. Independent of mass. So what is the concept here? You can understand the concept from this sentence. It is independent of mass. Nucleons are tightly packed inside the nucleus. நம்ம எப்படி புக்ஸ்லாம் பேக்ல போட்டு திணிக்கிற மாதிரி எவ்வளவு அப்படி திணிச்சு வைக்கிறோம். பருத்தி மூட்டையில பருத்தி போட்டு அப்படி திணிக்கிற மாதிரி அடைக்கிற மாதிரி அடைச்சு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. Highly, extremely very high compressed state. So all the nucleons are extremely tightly packed in the nucleus. ரொம்ப திணிச்சு வச்சிருப்பாங்க. So density of the nucleus, it is independent of mass. It is comfort of the nuclei. So two nuclei have their mass number in the ratio of 1:3. Mass number ratio given here. The ratio of their nuclear densities would be என்னவா இருக்கும்? Independent of mass no. So independent of mass means the same no. So 1:1. Very good. Same. So next 11th problem. See here. In a nuclear decay given below. Decay. An element, just you assume that this is parent. Remember that? Thai. This is daughter. Thai, say. Like that. Given here. The particles emitted in the sequence here. What will be? What the particle? Listen. X is at A. What is here changing? Z plus 1. A. Atomic number increases by 1. Mass number does not change. When? By emitting beta particle. Very good. Beta particle means electrons. Nothing but electrons. Okay. So first beta. Then mass number decreases by 4. Atomic number Z minus 1 here. When comes this? But already Z plus 1. Minus 2. Now it gets so Z. Correct? Assume that Z plus 1 is equal to Z. Minus 2. Atomic number decreases by 2. So mass number decreases by 4. Atomic number decreases by 2 by emitting alpha. Right? Alpha particle. So alpha. Finally, Z minus 1, Z minus 1. A minus 4, A minus 4. Atomic number, both atomic number, mass number not changed. That is called a gamma. Only energy level changes. Therefore, first beta, alpha, gamma. See? First option. Then, 12th one. The mass of a, listen here, listen, lithium 37 nucleus is 0.04 to U. What is U? Atomic mass unit. Keep in mind atomic mass unit. Less than the sum of the masses of its nucleons. So this is delta M mass defect. Correct? First, what is the method of solving the problems? First, you must read entire words thoroughly, and you must extract the data from the question and write in symbol and find out formula. Then you can solve it. That is a method for solving the problems. Clear? So delta M is equal to 4 to AMU. Binding energy per nucleon, that is important. Per nucleon, not total binding energy. Here binding to per nucleon. So BE or B by A. B by A of lithium 37 nucleus is nearly. So what to do here? First we must calculate total binding energy. B is equal to here 2 formula. Delta M C square into delta M into 931 million atom volt. 931 million atom volt. What is delta M? 0.042 AMU into 931. So what is answer? Come on. Multiply this 39.10 now. 102. Here comes 39 point something. Clear? 39 point something. Okay. So this is 39 point something million electron volt. Okay, this is binding energy of OF of, that means the total binding energy. But here we must calculate, here asking binding energy per nucleon. B by A, so 39.102 or 10 by A means mass number. What is the mass number? 7. 5 7s are 35. So 5 point something. 5.6. Second option. Listen properly, this is very important. Some complicated, not complicated, simple problem, just some complicated. The activity of a radioactive sample is measured as N0 counts per minute. T00, correct? That means initially. Number of atoms present in the sample at initially. T00, N0, okay. And N0 by E counts per minute and T is equal to T. What is T? We don't know. In that time, T is equal to here 5 minutes is equal to N. Caption remaining the time in minutes at which the activity reduces to half its value. What is the meaning of this? We should be find out T of half its value. So T of half life. I am correct or not? T of we should be find out here T of. Clear? Okay. First, listen here. T is 0, number of atoms N0. T is equal to 5 minutes, N is equal to N0 by E. Clear or not? So to calculating, first we must to calculate T of, first what is the general formula before that? N is equal to N0 E power minus lambda T. Correct? What is this? This is half, so T of. So N0 okay, E okay, limit no problem. We must calculate lambda. First we must calculate lambda. Then only you can substitute this formula. Then you can calculate T. So first we find out. So N is equal to. So what is N? N0 by E. N0 E power minus lambda T 5 minutes. Okay, T is equal to 5 minutes. Now cancel now. So 1 by E power minus lambda 5. Clear? So here 1 by E power plus lambda 5. Correct? Listen here, just a minute. So E is equal to E power 5 lambda, correct? Or E power 1. Listen here, E cancel now. So 1 is equal to 5 lambda, lambda is equal to 1 by 5. Clear? Okay, now see here. The time in minutes, listen very important, this listen properly, in minutes at which the activity reduces to half its value. So here T is equal half its value. So T is equal to T of time. Now N will be half of the atoms. No, so N not ஏதோ பேச புரியுதாடா? இந்த டைம் இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது n வந்து என்னவா இருக்கும்? T is equal to T ஆ இருக்கும்போது n வந்து என்ன ஏதோ நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஆட்டம்ஸ். ஆனா T ஆஃப் இது. சோ எவ்வளவு குறைஞ்சிருக்கும்? பாதியா குறைஞ்சிருக்கும். n is equal to clear about this point. That's so n is equal to I'm writing n is equal to n naught by 2 n naught. What is T? T of. Remember n naught cancel. 1 by 2 minus lambda. T of 1 by 2 1 by okay. T of clear not. Now 1 cancel. 2 is equal, listen here, in the column. Okay, we should be careful here. T of, when we cancel this simple e, log base e 2 is equal to, clear, T of is a lambda into D of. So listen here, listen properly. So log 3 log e 2 is equal to lambda T of. So T of is equal to log base e 2 by lambda. What is lambda value? 1 by 5. Listen here. So T of is equal to log base e 2 by lambda. So log base e 2 by lambda is 1 by 5. So 5. 3 is around there. So 5 log base e 2 is equal to T of. Fourth option. Clear? The power obtained. So this is related to nuclear reactor. Don't concept this, but simple. No need the expression for nuclear reactor. We must know about only power and the energy and work done. Also that's all. The power obtained in a reactor, that means a nuclear reactor, using uranium-235 dissociation, power given here 1000 kilowatts. The mass degree of uranium-235 per hour means 1 hour. Mass, we should be calculating here mass. What is the formula? According to Einstein, mass energy equals, remember, E is equal to mc square. From this, you can written as E is equal to P into C. Remember or not? Discussed about the same de Lancer in photon. So P is equal to E by C. Here we must calculate mass. No, I am correct or not? Therefore, m is equal to E by, or limit no need. Okay, no need this. Easily mc square. M is equal to E by C square. No need this formula. You can write it directly. M is E by C square. What is E here? Energy. And correct or not? Basic formula for power. Power is equal to work done by time. Work done is equal to energy. உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ எனர்ஜி இருக்குதோ அதுதான் வேலையா மாறும். நான் சொல்றது புரியுது? அதுதான் வேலையா மாறும். நிறைய எனர்ஜி நிறைய வேலை செய்யுது, கம்மி வேலை செய்யுது. So energy is equal to work done. Therefore work done is equal to power into time, or energy is equal to power into time. Clear? Therefore power into time by C square. What is power? 1000 kilowatt or 10 power 6 watt. Am I right or not? Then time 1 hour. C, 3 into velocity of light in an air vacuum. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So 3 into 10 power 8 whole square. Listen properly here. So 10 power 6. 1 hour means 3600 seconds into 9 into 10 power 16. So 10 power 6 here. 4th into 10 power 2 by 10 power 16. Clear? So 4 into 10 power 8 minus 16. Clear? 4 into 10 power 8 minus 16 is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8. Correct? Kilogram or gram? Kg. Unit. Basic unit. What is option here? See here. 10 microgram. This is a calculated value by you or by me. 4 into 10 power minus a kilogram. But if you given Options it is in micrograms. So listen here. 4 into 10 power minus 8 into 10 power 3. Correct? Kilo means 10 power 3. I am correct or not? Just a minute. So 4 into 10 power minus 5 gram. Correct? Because of we must convert into gram. Because of they given in gram. So 4 into 10 power minus 5 gram are very good. Yes. 40 into 10 power minus 6 gram. 10 power minus 6 means micro. Very good. 10 power minus 6 means micro. Clear? So option is third. 15th one. An alpha nucleus of energy 1 by 2 mu square or v square. That means half mu square. Bombers a heavy nuclear target of charge Ze. Let us discuss about this. Q is equal to Ze. Then the distance of the closest approach. This is relevant to atoms. For the alpha nucleus will be proportional to. Okay, listen here. Very simple. Listen properly. This is atoms. This is nucleus. This is alpha particle. This alpha particle traveling up to this point. That means the smallest distance between this point and the center of the nucleus, that is called the distance of closest approach. Listen properly here. R naught. That is simply denoted by R naught. So, on traveling alpha particle, what is charge of alpha particle? Positive or negative? Positive charge. For nucleus, positive. At this point, numbers repel each other. So, come back on reaching this point. What is the angle? 180 degree. At this point, kinetic, listen here properly. Kinetic energy of the alpha particle entirely converted into potential energy. Kinetic energy of mv square or mv square, no problem. Potential energy, already we have studied about the potential energy of the system of charges, two charges. U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1, Q2 by R, two charges, distance between 2 point charges. So, but here alpha, here nucleus, I am correct or not? So, here alpha, here on nucleus, distance between them R naught. Therefore, 1 by 2 mv square, 1 by 2 mv square, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught alpha 2e. I am correct or not? Because of 2e. Q is equal to 2 times charge of a proton because of positive charge. So Q is equal to 2e. Then another charge Q2 is at e. Distance R naught. Okay, clear. Listen. Now half mv square 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Listen properly. 2z e square. Correct? 2z e square by R naught. Clear? Now here we want to calculate R naught. That means the distance of close approach. R naught is equal to. Listen here. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 2z e square by half m square. R naught, listen. R naught is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 2 mela bedma 4 z e square by m square. Okay, so listen here. Which is option is correct? See. So m is in denominator. R naught is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 z square by m e square. It is in denominator. So this is except m taking as constant. Therefore, R naught is equal to or proportional to 1 by m. Clear? So option is third. Very important. This is about atom. That means Rutherford Alpha particle scattering experiment. Remember or not? In atoms. 16th one. A radioactive nucleus X converts into stable nucleus Y. Half-life of X is 50 years. What is meant by here 50 years? T of half-life period. Calculate the age of, what is age? Total time. Radioactive sample when the ratio of X and Y is 1:15 ratio. Ratio is 1:15. But here, very very important thing this ratio. So starting 16 initially. Starting 1:16 here. So here starting 16. So n by n naught is equal to compulsory we must write not 1/15, 1/16. That is important. We must add this number, two numbers. Very very important thing this. இத பேச புரியுதா? n by இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம் வந்துச்சுனா நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோ. ஆட் பண்ணிக்கணும். So n by n naught is equal to 1/16. 1 plus 15. அதனால சொன்னேன் இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Okay? Very simple this. Here we want to calculate age. Age means total time. That's all. Where is present this? What is n by n naught? Fraction of undecayed no. Total time இங்க தான் இருக்கு. So n by n naught is equal to 1/2. n means total by half. Am I correct or not? Therefore, small n is equal to total time by half-life period. Here we want to calculate total time. So n into h. Listen here. Just a minute. n into h. H okay. What is h value? Half-life period. 50 years. We should be find out n value. Come on, try 2. Very good. 2. Correct. How? Because 1/16 is 1/2. Listen properly here. 2 understand? Correct. Listen. 1/2 whole power 4 no. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 1/2 n. So here compare both sides. And that another. So small n is equal to 4 here. So small n is equal to 4. And that another from this formula. Small n is equal to 4 because this is by n by n naught. 1/16. 1/16 is equal to 1/2 whole power 4 or 4 is a 2, 2, 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So small n is equal to 4. Correct? That's all. So small n is equal to 4. What is half-life period? 50 years. Therefore 50. So 4 into 50, 200 years. That's all. So what is the option is? Here, first option. Clear? See again. Okay? So this is the method for find out total time. Okay? So n is equal to, T of is equal to, total time is equal to 200 years, not T of, total time. So small n is equal to total time by half-life. Okay? At the same time, what is n by n naught is 1/2 whole power n? What is the formula? This formula for fraction for left undecayed. Okay? Clear? Any doubt in this? Okay?